Hi everyone in Cyber World. It's Poorman once again, and today we're going to show you what we did on our project for flooring. It could be a really long video, but I didn't want to bore everyone with all the details. So I'll cover bits and pieces and show the beginning and ending of what we did. And we took a few extra steps compared to what the average person might do, and we'll get into that. But it came out really good. We're really happy with it. We finished the first floor, and we're working on the second floor, and we're getting close to finishing on that. But the second floor is a lot of challenge. There's a lot of angles. There's a lot of doors to work around. So it's going to take me a little bit while until I finish that. I might do another part 2 on flooring someday, but again, I don't want to bore everybody with the exact same type videos all the time. So let's take a look at what we did. Here we go.
So here's a shipment of our flooring. Before actually installing the flooring, you need to let it acclimate to the room you're going to install it in. This process takes about 3 days, so we had to spread the boxes all over the house. After carrying the vast majority of the boxes upstairs, I ran out of go-go juice that day. While waiting for the flooring to acclimate, might as well get the floor ready. Late nights are the perfect time to tear things up. The flooring we purchased has padding already built onto the bottom, so there's no need to purchase any for the floor. However, a moisture barrier must be used when placing the flooring on cement. And it is finally time to start laying the flooring. Ideally, you install flooring in a completely empty room, but I had no place to store my furniture, so I had to move the furniture and work small areas at a time. Up to this point, the installation was just laying boards down, but now we have to start cutting pieces to fit special angles. We didn't want to take the easy way out and lay flooring around the stove and refrigerator, so we moved them and then laid floor underneath them. What a pain. Mrs. Poorman just had a wild hair and had to film me as I installed the final board in the kitchen. And now back to work in the living room. Whew, last piece in the living room. The last area in the entryway had some unique angles to cut. Here we had to install a transition piece between the boards and the sliding door. Now it's time to let our Depot vacuum clean up after a hard weekend's work. We're thrilled how things worked out, and as strange as it might sound, we had a blast spending hours together working on this project. I recommend it for all couples. And there's one more project off my list. Next week, we'll show you how we installed baseboards around the edges that covers up all the gaps in between the wood and the wall. So until then, we'll see you again. Bye.